everyone, how's it going? For today's fun video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw a pumpkin Pieju. So this is going to be a piece of pumpkin pie that's turned into a kaiju, and that's how we got the Pumpkin Pieju. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our Pumpkin Pieju, let's begin with the eye. So I'm going to start right about here, and we're just going to make a circle for the eye. Now inside of here, let's make a line that's going to come down and then up. And then we'll add a little circle in here, and we'll just color in right around that circle. Now along the top, we're going to make a line that curves, and then we'll make another line that curves right along the bottom. Right above here, I'm going to make lines going to come up and then down. And then we'll make a little line that's going to come down here. Starting here, I'm going to make a line that's going to come up, and then we're going to bring this down. I'm going to bring this up, and then we're going to come down and then up, go down and up, and you can see we're kind of making these different sizes. Go down and up, and then one more here. Now starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come down. Then I'm going to go up and down, and we'll make a few more of these little pointed teeth on here. And we'll just go up and down one more time. Next, I'm going to bring this line across to right about here. Starting here, I'm going to bring this line out, and then we're going to come down, and you can see we're kind of going in and then back out a little bit. Now, I want to make a leg before we do any other details on here. So I'm going to start right about here, and I'm going to make a line that's going to come down at an angle, and then we're going to come down here. I'm going to make this line come out to a point, and then we're going to bring it up. Make another one here out to a point and then up. Then one more out here, and we'll just come right to here. I'm going to bring this line over, and then one more. Then I'm going to bring this line up, and we're going to come in. We'll add a little line right here, and one more up here. Next, let's go ahead and just connect these two lines. Now, let's finish off the mouth real quick. Let's put a tongue in here. So I'm going to start by making a line that's going to come up, and then we're going to come down and up. I'm going to bring this down and then come back. And then instead of starting at the end, let's start right here, and we'll just bring this down. Back here, I'm going to add a couple more little points so we can see some teeth on the other side of the mouth. Then we'll just bring this up and bring it right to about here. Over here, let's make a little curved line and then another one right around it for the nose. And then I want to give them a little Cool Whip horn. So I'm going to start here by making a line that's going to come up and then down. And then one here, it's going to come up to a point that curves back, and then we're going to bring this back. I'm going to curve this around. Then I'll bring another line that's just going to curve around here. Next, I'll bring a line up. And then starting here, I'm going to go back and then come down here for the other eye. Then we'll start in, we'll go out here, and then I'm going to bring this down at an angle. Now we're going to make the pie crust around here. So I'm going to begin by making a line that's going to curve around here. And then we'll go up and bring it down. Make another one here. We'll bring this up and then down. And one more. We'll bring this up and we'll just kind of curve this around. We'll bring this line down and just kind of follow the shape of the body. And then starting out here, we're just going to go down, and then we're going to bring this all the way back to here. Now starting here, I'm going to bring a line down for the other leg. We'll make a line that's going to come down to a point and then back. And then we'll add another one here and one small one right there. Then we'll just bring this line up. Now starting here, I want to make a little tail on him. So I'm going to begin right here, and I'm just going to make a line that's going to come up, and we're going to curve it back. I want to make this come to a point. We're going to bring this down and around. And then one more just kind of curves up. I'm going to add a little curved line here. And then I'm going to make a little curved line right around here. And one more here, just for a little bit of detail. And we put one there. And there you go. There is your drawing of a little Pumpkin Pieju. It's our version of a pumpkin pie kaiju. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.